Hi guys, welcome to my video today. This is a super special video. I am doing a collaboration with a really wonderful group of YouTube creators, and it is a Christmas morning breakfast collaboration. So this group is huge, tons and tons of YouTubers doing a video on this. This collaboration was it's put on by two of my really good YouTube friends, Kristy and Melissa. Check their channels out. I will link them in the description box. It's Living Life with Kristy and I'm Merely Melissa. They have wonderful channels. They share so many awesome things. So check them out, give them some support. I will also have a playlist in the description box down below, so check that out. It'll have everybody's Christmas morning recipes in there, all their videos. So check them all out. It's so wonderful. And I'm really happy to be part of this group of other YouTubers. It is just a wonderful, supportive group, and I'm really happy to be doing this journey with them. So I wanted to wear, instead of my apron that I always wear, I wanted to wear this Christmas sweater that I got at a thrift store years ago for an ugly Christmas sweater party. It doesn't really get much uglier than this, if you ask me, but it is homemade by somebody, and I bought it for like 50 cents at a thrift store. So I thought I'd pull out an ugly sweater to wear for this to get in the Christmas spirit. Love ugly Christmas sweater parties. They're so fun. So thought I'd wear one of my old ones for you guys today just to get in the Christmas spirit. So I'm going to be making, I usually do keto recipes. You guys know that if you've been around my channel. But I am going to make some Christmas tree waffles for the kids for breakfast for Christmas. So not gonna be keto today, but I have plenty of other keto breakfast ideas on my channel. I have a whole playlist just for breakfast recipes. So check that out if you're looking for a keto one. But so today, Christmas is all about the kids. So I wanted to make these Christmas tree waffles. So I'm gonna be using my waffle maker. I have a square waffle maker. If you have a round one, that actually even works a little bit better for this because it'll make the tree shaped waffles. And so I'm going to just use my regular pancake waffle mix. I'm just gonna whip it up like the instructions say, and I'm gonna add in green food coloring. So it's gonna make them nice and green. And then I took some leftover Halloween candy from my kids. They get so much and we just put it in a bag and then they forget about it. So pulled out some M&Ms and some lollipops, and they'll be the little ornaments on the waffle Christmas trees. So I will get all this going. I hope that you guys check out all of the other videos on the playlist that I'll link in the description. Everybody, like I said, in this group is so wonderful and so supportive, and I hope that everybody had fun making their Christmas morning breakfast videos. Can't wait to check them all out, you guys. So I'm gonna get these waffles ready to go. So I'm just doing regular waffle mix. So I have 2 cups of that, and then I have a cup of water, and I have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm going to add in 1 egg. And I am going to mix it all together and mix it all the way through before I add in my food coloring, which I'm going to use to make this green for my Christmas trees. So you can really make this any color you'd like for any kind of fun food project. So I'm going to make it green for my Christmas trees. These turn out so cute. So you can make them as green as you want. I'm going to mix this all around, and then I'm probably going to add some more green to make it even brighter. So I will add a few more drops, make it nice and bright green to make these Christmas trees look so festive for Christmas. These are really great for the kids, adults too. All right, so I have my green waffle mix. I have my waffle maker preheated, and I have it on a low setting. So the secret to making these Christmas trees nice and green is to not overcook them. So we don't want to get them like too crusty. It'll start turning a little bit brown. But if they do, that's okay. They're still super cute. But I'm going to pour in my green mix, and then I'll let these cook, and I'll try not to overcook them. But they just turn out so cute. So I will let these cook, And then I will cut them into triangles. I'll just cut the square diagonal to make them into triangles, and they'll make the cutest Christmas tree waffles. All right, I have my green waffles, and I'm just gonna decorate them a little bit. Have a little Twix I'll use as the little stump, little Kit Kat for this one. Add a little, some M&Ms or maybe Skittles if you have Skittles as little ornaments. You can just kind of scatter them around. All right, I'm just gonna, you can make a little star and put it on a toothpick of like some kind of fruit, maybe like a mango or something yellow or orange. But I had these little tiny lollipops. I thought they'd be cute to just kind of stick here, and they'll be the little topper of the Christmas tree. All right, my Christmas tree waffles are all done. I will do a close-up shot for you guys so you can see them a little bit closer. But they're so fun, so festive for Christmas. Hope that you enjoyed these. The boys love waffles. So we'll have some waffles with a side of fruit, and it'll be really fun to celebrate Christmas with these Christmas tree green waffles. So check the description box for everything that I used for these. Super simple, but if you need a new waffle maker, I will link mine. I always link everything that I use in my videos, so check that out if you need anything. Anyways, also check out all the other channels that are part of this collaboration. Like I said, Melissa and Kristy were so awesome to put this together and have us all do our Christmas morning breakfast and share with you guys. So we do have a playlist. All of the videos will be on that playlist. Check them all out. Give all of these channels some really great support for the holiday season. They all deserve it because they're so wonderful. So I hope that you enjoyed this one. If you are new to my channel, which you might be because you'll probably get some different people from the collaboration, but if you're new, click subscribe, click that bell button so you get a notification each time I post a new video. Like I said, I am going to be doing a video every day for the month of December to get into the Christmas spirit. So check back every day. I'll have lots of fun Christmas ideas, Christmas recipes. I'll still be doing my meal prepping, but I know a lot of you come here for some meal prep ideas and meal prep motivation. So I'm still gonna be doing that as well. So check back each day and there'll be all kinds of fun videos this month for you. I hope that you have a wonderful day. I hope that you enjoyed this collaboration. Like I said, do not forget to check everybody else's channels out and show them some support. Have a really wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.